So my name is Leong Yao. Good morning, sir. My name is Leong Yao Shen. I'm a fourth-year student under a degree of science with a major in phytomedicine. I have some part-time experience at Popular as a staff and in Litno Biotech as a quality controller. I'm good in team working and data analysis for different phytochemicals through different software. I possess the years experience in handling laboratory materials and know all the aspects of laboratory assistant functions in handling and assisting the laboratory works. I spent my university life on studying the phytochemicals and phytomedicine knowledge to understand the role of these chemicals on herbal products. And I have been attached to the mobility program to explore more knowledge about the standard operational procedure for different laboratory processes, which require to work in groups and solving the problem through discussion and exchange the opinions among others. Right now, I feel that I'm ready for a more challenging task, and this position, which is the medical lab technologies, really excites me because it allows me to apply my technology expertise, problem solving, and team working skills. The reason that I joined this company is because I feel my skills are particularly well suited to this position. The position of medical lab technologies really attracts me, which makes me want to be challenged and grow professionally through this opportunity. And since I have learned the biological and chemical knowledge during my university life, I believe that I'm suitable for this position who need to prepare the chemical solutions through various processes, and I also confident with my abilities will bring a great contribution and benefit to the company. Based on my research from the website, the Malaysian Genomic Resource Centre, the MGRC, is a company mainly study on the genetic analysis and produce healthcare products for the benefits of mankind. The aim of this company is to improve the quality of customers' life through providing reliable healthcare products. MGRC has the working relationship with partners and customers to improve their understanding in genomics and apply it in several fields such as agriculture and healthcare. The collaborators that have a working relationship with MGRC are Novartis, Bunge Gene, Malaysia Biotechnology Corporation, and others. Currently, the company is under the management of Dato Alvin, the executive director who has the experience in pharmaceutical industry and possess the aspire to combine technology and medicine to reshape the local health industry. So one of the strengths that I have is I'm a self-disciplined person. I always plan for my daily schedule to manage my time for study, and I also use these skills when doing my final year project. I have to plan the schedule to ensure all the experiments can be carried out within the timeline and have the sufficient time for me to complete my report. Besides, I am a cooperative person. I do listen to other teammates' opinions while ongoing some tests and work with others to obtain the result during the research studies. Especially when I attend the mobility program in Indonesia, I do need the assist from my classmate to accomplish the laboratory works and combine all the data that we have to show the overall results of the research. As for my weakness, I'm lack of confidence to myself. When I was in university, I only have a few interaction with my classmates, and this affect the group performance because I rarely to share my opinions towards the task. However, I do join some campaigns that help me to overcome my shyness and improve my communication skills. I learn practical skills around leading discussion and sharing diverse perspectives. This helped me to easily make a friendship with others and express my opinions during a practical works. In addition, another weakness that I have is I lacking of some experience. As a fourth-year student who haven't attended the internship, I may lack of some knowledge about the software that are used for data analysis and the functions of the instruments for medical lab. And this is what I need to spend my time for learning and growing through the opportunity as a medical lab technologist to obtain as much experience as possible. So for my greatest achievement is I'm have been one time I'm taking the replacement of other students to accomplish the water quality test for overnight in the University Gajah Mada in Indonesia. The water quality test is important for students to understand the dissolved oxygen content and other toxic chemicals that may be present in the water of Tasakania to know the changes of dissolved oxygen content at different time. The student have to undergo the water quality test for every hour within 24 hours. And the task that I face is since it requires the students to undergo the task for every hour, thus we have to divide it into two groups to observe the changes of dissolved oxygen value for daytime and nighttime. However, there are students who are unable to carry out the test due to some emergency case, and this causes some difficulties to the arrangement of schedule and duty roster. The action that I take is when everyone was struggling on the arrangement and of the duty roster, I recommend myself to undertake his job because I feel interested in having a laboratory test, and I think it was a great opportunity for me to train my will and persistence. So I undertake his duty to analyze and record the data of water quality at night time. Although I feel sleepy during that time, but I'm still feel excited and satisfied to my performance to accomplish this task with the assist from other students. For the results, finally we able to analyze the data of the water quality of and the changes of the dissolved oxygen content in water at different time. And this is a great contribution to the institution since it provide comprehensive data about the water quality in Thar Secondary. So being a medical lab technologist for 5 years will make me get more expertise with the laboratory works through gaining a lot of knowledge and practical skills. Besides, I believe the 5 years working experience will also train my leadership skills for me to take a lead of some projects since I may understand some processes of production for healthcare products, and this make me able to lead or provide some guidance for the workers for quality control and laboratory tests to ensure the healthcare products can be maintained in a high quality. So when I start a new job, I may have some communication with my colleagues to build with my colleagues to build a good relationship with everyone and take some time to have interaction with them when in the break hour. Besides, I will also work collaboratively with colleagues and appreciate their contribution during team projects and meetings. Plus, I will also take my own responsibilities for my action to ensure that I didn't bring any troubles to anyone. Furthermore, I will accept the advice from supervisors to improve my working efficiency and avoid from making mistakes. That's all. Thank you.